be showing you how to do our version of the Prolordotic exercise. To begin, you can either use a stretchy band like this, you can even do it without a tool. But two positions that are important to do prior to doing the exercise are pulling your shoulder blades back and down and approximating your rib cage to your pelvis. Once you've completed that, now we can go ahead and extend the arms with the tool or the towel or whatever you're going to use and go through the motion. We're going to do several motions. One is forward, up, tuck, and hold, and return to neutral. Forward, tilt back, tuck and hold, return to neutral. One more time. Forward, up, tuck and hold, turn to neutral. After you've completed your reps, relax, take a breath, and then reset. Shoulders back and down, rib cage locked into pelvis, extend the arms, and then you're ready to go for set number 2. Your specific recommendations we'll go through at the clinic. Thank you.